Hello students, I will see the illustration number 9. See the question. Udham Singh Agro Products Limited furnishes the following details of various services provided by it in the month of August 2020. So particulars and amounts of the various services has been given. So under that, first rearing of silkworm and horticulture rupees 2,50,000. Plantation of tea and coffee rupees 2 lakh, renting of vacant land for performing marriage ceremony 4,50,000, sale of wheat on commission basis 50,000, sale of rice on commission basis amount 2 lakh, renting of agro machinery rupees 5 lakh, cultivation of ornamental flowers rupees 2,50,000, processing of tomato ketchup under the brand name of Y Limited rupees 3 lakh, plantation of rubber rupees 3,50,000, processing of potato chips on job work basis rupees 1,50,000, sale of millets on commission basis rupees 2 lakh, sale of rice Star brand on commission basis rupees 3 lakh. Assume that the rate of GST at 18% and 5%. Compute the value of taxable supply of services and GST payable of Mark Agro Product Limited. Udham Singh, make it Udham Singh, tax liability of Udham Singh Agro Products Limited for the month of August 2020. So here with this information we have to calculate the taxable supply of services. Taxable supply of service is nothing but taxable turnover. Supply is nothing but turnover. Taxable supply of services or taxable turnover of of services and GST payable we have to calculate for that month of August 2020. So we'll see one by one. First one is rearing of silkworm and horticulture. So silkworm and horticulture, it's relating to agriculture. Agriculturing of horticulture is nothing but agriculturing of plants for food materials. Silkworms rearing is agricultural service it is, so it is exempt. Then plantation of tea and coffee. Plantation of tea and coffee is exempt. So if it is sale of tea, then it is taxable. So sale of tea powder then it is taxable. Plantation is relating to agriculture, so it is exempt. So exempt services. Here in this question they have not given the place whether we have to calculate IGST or CGST or SGST. We will calculate the total GST. So for like IGST calculation, we will calculate the GST payable. So column will be particulars. First column particulars, next taxable supply of services or taxable turnover, next rates of GST and GST payable. That's it will calculate like. So first one is rearing of silkworm and horticulture is relating to agriculture. So in the first amount column we have to take exempt. So put a dash. Plantation of tea and coffee also first amount column exempt. So put dash and dash. Then renting of vacant land for performing marriage ceremony. So land is used for performing marriage ceremony, it is taxable, and here the highest tax rate 18% we have to take for this performing marriage ceremony. 4,50,000 is a turnover and tax rate is 18%. 4,50,000 into 18% we have to take. So this is comes under 18% GST tax rate. Next, sale of wheat on commission basis. Wheat, sale of rice. So these are the agricultural commodities. So exempt it is. Wheat and rice on commission basis is exempt. Then first column we have to take it as exempt. No tax rate. Exempt means there is no tax rate. And tax liability also dash. Renting of agro machinery also exempt from GST. Then cultivation of ornamental flower, cultivation is relating to agriculture, so this is also exempt. Processing of tomato ketchup under the brand name. So processing is not agriculture related, it is a tomato ketchup, it is not relating to agriculture, so it is processing under brand name, so it is taxable. So it is taxed at 5%. At 5% we have to take. So under taxable turnover we have to take 3 lakh. Rates of GST is 5%. So 3 lakh into 5% is the GST payable. Then plantation of rubber is relating to agriculture, so exempt. Then processing of potato chips on job work basis. Processing of Potato chips. Potato chips is not relating to agriculture. It is taxable and it is taxed at 5%. So 1,50,000 into 5% we have to take. Next one, sale of millet on commission basis. So it is millets is nothing but grains. So relating to agricultural product it is. So it is exempt. Millets is grains, small seeds. It is exempt under GST. Sale of rice. Rice is exempt, but star branded rice is taxable. So this 3 lakh is taxable. 3 lakh value is taxable under GST. So it is taken at 5% tax rate. So 3 lakh into 5% we have to calculate. So amount we have to take under first column. So wherever exempt is given, that we should not take, that amount we should not take. Instead we have to write exempt. So wherever exempt is not given, so that value we have to calculate. This is at 18%. So 1, 2, 3, 4 value we have to calculate the taxes, rest all exempt. So I think the total taxable turnover is equal to 12 lakh and the GST payable will be 1,18,500.